Greetings from Serbia. Today I want to share a particular type of cookies that's traditionally made here in Serbia. 2 boxes of a freshly baked cookies from a local lady just arrived. You might have seen similar cookies, but you have never tasted something like this. These are truly unique type of pastry because these cookies are made in what you would traditionally call the puff pastry, except this puff pastry is made with a particular type of pig fat. And when I say pig fat, I'm not talking about a lard. Better tasting and more delicate than any puff pastry you ever tried in your life. Now, my goal is to learn how to make them while I'm here, so expect the recipe soon. Until then, please stay well and take good care of yourself and those around you.